Open Task Manager, click Ctrl-Shift-ESC on your keyboard, go to Startup Apps, left click on Startup Impact, and show which one is using high load. Then right click on Application and disable. Just disable applications which you don't need it. Step 2. Clean temporary files. Press Windows R on your keyboard. Type this. Click Enter. Select all files which are showing to you here. Delete them. Skip files which cannot be deleted. This should be done manually. Step 3. Instant speed button. Go to Windows option. Go to Setting. Go to System. Go to Power. Go to Power Mode and select Best Performance. This makes Windows look slightly less pretty, but it makes it much faster. If your PC feels faster, click like button. Subscribe for more Windows fixes in under 16 seconds.